What is a statement audit, and why do we see finance leaders still performing statement audits in 2026 despite the high level of automation that exists today? I'll answer that first question. What is a statement audit? Just put simply, a statement audit, a group of auditors reaches out to vendors and suppliers and asks for current statements. They're looking for aged account. They're looking for aged amounts that are due back to your organization. Once they identify those amounts, they reach out to suppliers and work with them to confirm those amounts are still open and available to be taken. And then they work with the suppliers to get the suppliers and vendors to get those dollars back to your organization. Why do we see these statement audits as still fruitful and valuable in 2026 despite automation? Automation doesn't really catch a lot of this stuff, right? I mean, if you have a vendor or a supplier that owes money back to you because of duplicate payments, because of missed allowances, because of pricing errors, because of rebates, some of them will do a good job of communicating to the right people those amounts are due back so that they can be entered into your system and taken. Some won't. Some won't be very proactive about sharing it. And some will share it, but it will go to the wrong department and it just gets lost. So, I mean, we see when we perform statement audits, we identify credits that are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even 7 years old that can be tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars that are essentially on account ready for our clients to be taken, but there just hasn't been a central effort to be able to identify and bring those dollars back in. So it's a very simple concept, the statement audit, but it's also one that, due to kind of the manual nature of informing one of your clients that you owe the money back, and due to the kind of shifting chairs we see, especially post 2020, and the offshore environments and the silos that exist in large organizations, it's one where there's a lot of stuff that falls through the cracks. And I really don't see automation, machine learning, or AI fully addressing this anytime in the near future. Again, because it's very difficult to control your vendors and your suppliers' environments and their process for notifying you that dollars are owed back. So, I strongly recommend, if you have not done any recovery audit work in your organization, this is an area I typically recommend starting in, because it really allows you to see what might be falling through the cracks and get some dollars in quickly. Again, allows you to get those auditors to reach out to your vendors, reach out to your suppliers, find out the money that they agree is owed back to you, and then work with them to get it put back into your bank account. A lot less friction than some other recovery audit work, because essentially we're going after the money that our suppliers already agree we're owed, and we're just trying to get that into the bank. So, if you got this far in the video, thanks, and we will hopefully post another video tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.